Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're beginning setup now. Gather prerequisites and act. First, confirm your Windows Edition supports hosting remote desktop because Home doesn't by default. Once done, enable remote desktop in settings right arrow system, right arrow remote desktop, and write down the PC name plus local IP. Make sure the user account has a password. Without one, Windows will block remote sign-in. Finally, open the Windows Defender firewall rule for remote desktop, TCP 3389, so incoming connections aren't blocked. Once the host is ready, lock in networking and credentials. Assign a static local IP or create a DHCP reservation so port forwarding always points to the right device. Then configure your router. Forward TCP port 3389 to that IP, or choose an alternate external port and map it internally to 3389 for security. Create or use a dedicated user with a strong password, and test a local RDP session from another LAN device to confirm credentials and connectivity before proceeding to remote access. Finish by locking down access and verifying remote reachability. Enable network-level authentication and encryption in remote desktop settings so connections authenticate before a session begins. For internet access, prefer a VPN or remote desktop gateway rather than exposing RDP ports directly. This greatly reduces attack surface. Test a remote connection from outside your LAN, and once successful, document the port, public IP, or dynamic DNS name. If something fails, check firewall rules, port forwarding, correct IP.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.